University of Mississippi Review App. The pros, the cons. If you're a student or staff member at the University of Mississippi, the official app claims to make campus life easier, but is it really that helpful? One of the biggest pros is accessibility. Most people get this wrong by thinking campus apps are just for schedules. The University of Mississippi app allows you to view class schedules, grades, and campus events all in one place. You can also access campus maps, library resources, and dining menus, which is incredibly convenient for both new and returning students. Communication is another strong point. Push notifications keep you updated on emergency alerts, university announcements, and important deadlines. Clubs and student organizations can post updates, helping students stay engaged with campus life. Integration with university email and course management systems like Canvas makes it easy to check assignments and messages without switching apps. However, there are cons. Some users report occasional crashes, especially after updates. The interface can feel cluttered, making it difficult to find specific features quickly. Offline functionality is limited, which can be frustrating in areas with poor internet connectivity. In conclusion, the University of Mississippi app is a solid tool for students, faculty, and staff looking to stay connected with campus life. The surprising truth is that while it covers most essentials, heavy users may still prefer using desktop portals for detailed academic tasks. For anyone seeking convenience, quick access to university resources, and real-time updates, this app provides a reliable, user-friendly experience that keeps campus life organized.